All right, we're going to need a new package for this next lesson because we're going to need to do some nonlinear least squared minimization for curve fitting multiple peaks in our data set. And so there's a nice package called lmfit, which does not come with Anaconda, so we're going to need to install this. The install is described here, pip install lmfit. So let's see how we go ahead and do that. So what you're going to want to do is come in here and find your Anaconda installation, and then from there you're going to pull up the Anaconda PowerShell prompt, and then once you get your prompt up you can type in pip install lmfit and hit return, and it'll automatically download it for you, and with some luck it'll all be installed. Yep, successfully installed. And that's it. Now you've got the lmfit and we can import it like we do any other package in Python.